Hi, ke sana siyagoa, guys. Everyone is going through a lot in South Africa, guys. What have we done to God? Not long ago, a few days ago, there was a viral video that is currently trending even now. King Misisulu insulting his wife. Right now is Baba Mselek, and people are asking themselves, what have you done to Musamselek? Because one thing about Musamselek, guys, when there's a trouble in paradise, he will expose you. So let's get to start off today. You know, the rest of the house is somebody peace and Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment, a happy Sunday. So guys, the almost Samseleko posted this picture. As you can see, it is him Nengani Yakasamke. Even Samke, she commented on the same post, ask herself what's going on in Ghana manje. So this is Musamseleko's caption, guys, that got a lot of people talking. So anyway, guys, this is what Musamseleko posted on an Instagram account, and this is what he has to say. Uboyihlonipha indoda ekuthatha unengane ivalue enkulu kuwena abanye ngeke bayibone. Men are going through a lot, kodwa ngeke nikubone lokho ngoba nithi akangakhulumi. Uma indoda ikhuluma kuthiwa njani lamadoda akhuluma kangaka. So Musamseleko is saying, if you have a child, you should be grateful as a woman, guys. And the single woman in the comment section, they were dragging Musamseleko, but what is going on? What do you mean? So you mean when on value? The reason why Musamseleko he was crashing out on social media is because he was triggered by the video that is currently trending. Yaka King Misisulu insulting his third wife. As you all know, the third wife, she is a single mother of 3 years, I think so, or 2, something like that, guys. And a lot of men, they were saying he made a wrong choice for marrying umuntu onengane, guys, umuntu onezingane, guys. So a lot of men will disagree on social media. You know what, you should stay away. As a king, you should marry a chichi, guys. People are saying, so Mangwabe, she has to suffer now. What is going on? What Mangwabe has done? Please tell us. Come and go live on TikTok like Mayeni and Mpumela, because they always go live, guys. And now you show your side of your story, because Ubaba Mseleko, he doesn't just go on social media and say something, guys. There must be something that you have done. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. A happy Sunday.